Muy buenas, ¿qué tal estás? Te doy la bienvenida a este nuevo vídeo. Este es el reel, el speed paint de la cuarta lección de mi curso de retratos hiperrealistas. ¿Qué es lo que te enseño a pintar en esta lección? Esto que ves en pantalla, que ha sido una absoluta maravilla. Me lo he pasado genial pintando este cuadro. Os recuerdo que lo que tenéis aquí es solo el speed paint de apenas 9, 8, 9, 10 minutos. Y es imposible seguirlo, lo entiendo. Mucha gente me pone en los comentarios: oye Jaime, es que lo pones tan deprisa que no puedo seguirlo. Ya, pero es que esto es solo el speed paint. Si quieres ver el vídeo completo que dura más de 2 horas, donde explico con todo lujo de detalles cómo pintar no solo este, sino todos los retratos del curso, tienes que hacerte miembro VIP. En fin, espero que disfrutéis viendo este speed paint la mitad de lo que he disfrutado yo pintándolo. Decenas de miles de gracias y... Chao, 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 chao.
Telling her to calm down, my head in my hands now. Play it back, I still can't seem to figure out. When the rain came and we became a mosaic here on the ground. Baby, I can't seem to trace it. We went from weightless to dragging our feet on the floor. Lost in translation, I keep on chasing who we were before. Tell me it's alright, tell me we're alright. Tell me that you and I have a chance. Oh, tell me it's alright, tell me we're alright. Swear I traded all to get us back again. Don't know how to talk to you the way that I used to do. Nothing but negative space in our living room. Try to shrug it off, say it's nothing, but we both know that just isn't true. Baby, I can't seem to trace it. This love was sacred, now it's got our knees on the floor. Lost in translation, if we're way past saving, then what's it all for? Tell me it's alright, tell me we're alright. Tell me that you and I have a chance. Oh, tell me it's alright, tell me we're alright. Swear I traded all to get us back again. Back again. Oh yeah. Back again. Telling her to calm down, my head in my hands now. I'm so far away from home, in this desert of regrets. Never thought that I would have to let you go. Tell me, how can I forget? If I could travel back in time, I'd lay a blanket full of stars to brighten up the darkness of our sleepless nights. I'd find a way to make you smile. But I will break your fall, even if you don't love me, even if you don't love me. I will break your fall, even if you don't love me, even if you don't love me.
to outer space. That's where I'll see your face and have you with me. It may seem dark, but you always light my spark in my heart since the start. Oh, 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 Paper planes were always made for you. I'll fly to space just to get to you. I just wanted to let you know. I'm so glad that I'll have you with me. With you I feel like I'm dreaming, but I'm awake, I'm not here sleeping. By my side you give good company. Left and right, I'll keep you safe. When I'm with you I won't hesitate. Now you got me folding paper planes, so we can fly to outer space. So take this part of me, part of my heart, of me. 1, 2, 3, 4.